Check out this Ford 2014 Transit Connect Wagon XLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: front-wheel drive, leather seats, power driver seat, rear backup camera, AM/FM stereo, CD player, wheels aluminum, remote keyless entry and trip odometer. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.